In my last video, I had mentioned that I had stopped futures trading, and many of you were curious to know what I did next. I started in cash market. I was earlier also doing it, but as many my fellow traders also do the same, I was trading cash market as well as futures market simultaneously. But after stopping the futures trade, I somehow was very relaxed. There was no mental anxiety which was earlier in the futures trading. There was no need to check the app every 15 minutes for what price is there for the futures and how much it has gained or how much it has lost. So there was a mental calmness. That was the biggest advantage of stopping the futures trading. I could feel the mental peace myself. Then after that, I also understood that I have ample of time to do deep research for any stock in the cash market. Earlier, I used to separate futures stocks and cash market stocks. I used to make different watch lists, and that was pretty time consuming. But after I stopped futures trading, now I have ample of time to do research and do deep research on any stock. The research that includes the fundamentals as well as technicals. Apart from this, my patience has increased. Patience, as in, you might know that in futures there is a deadline for us to exit at the month's end. But now my patience of holding a stock has increased quite drastically. And also I have developed a better conviction because of my deep research. I could hold the stock for quite some time because I have conviction in the stock. As I have done better research, I have conviction in the stock. Another point, I have gained confidence in trading cash market also. Confidence in the sense, there was earlier also there was confidence, but at some point it was like you have profits in cash market but you have losses in futures market, and these losses were sometimes higher. Any loss is higher than a profit, but due to these losses the confidence was on a lower side, although there was profit in the cash. But if you have loss in any other instrument, then you lose confidence in the cash market also. Although you might have deeply researched the stock, the stock has great fundamentals, great technicals, but if your confidence is low, you can't execute any trade. So there was a drastic increase in the confidence levels as well after stopping the futures trade. And I believe that it's not that every instrument is meant for everyone. The instruments which are available in the stock market, every instrument is meant for everyone. You should always see what is best for you. Means how, if you want excitement in life, if you want a boring setup, but because there are many exciting instruments that are available, but these instruments are loss making, and the boring, where you need to sit patiently, those are profitable. So it's you to it's upon you to decide which instrument you want to trade, and I have found my instrument, so you also should think of it. And if you are in the profit loss cycle of the futures trade, you should definitely stop that and switch to cash market. I am Shubamm Agrawal. I am a full-time investor. I hope this video communicates my message and will be helpful for everyone. Thank you.